Hello guys, kain tayo ng Korean noodles. What is this? A botaw. Botaw. So yummy. Ito yung toppings, chili, and then cabbage, the ramen, and if you want more, lagay ka na lang ng mga marami yan noodles, kay gamay lang. Wow, sarap na angang. Ayan, if you want to what is this? And then the togi. Ito na bahala magdagdag. Guys, kain muna tayo ha. Thank you for watching.